This is Anuloma Viloma Pranayama, where we are inhaling through the. This is our hand position. You can sit in any of the comfortable posture. So right hand, just go keep it like this. This finger, middle fingers on the nose bridge. Close the right hand nostril with right thumb. And we are going to operate left middle finger, right hand finger to the left nostril. Open right nostril with thumb and inhale through the right nostril slowly. Close thumb the right nostril passage. Open left nostril little finger. Exhale through the left nostril. Again slowly inhale through the left nostril. Close left nostril with little finger. Open right nostril. Exhale through the right nostril. Again slowly inhale through the right nostril. Close right nostril, open left nostril, exhale through the left nostril. Inhale through the left, close left nostril, exhale through the right, inhale through the right, close right nostril, exhale through the left, the second hand should be in the Dhyana Mudra, where concentration you are going to get. Slowly. After completing few rounds for 5 minutes, more than 5 minutes, inhale through both the nostrils. Lock your chin like this. This is called Jalandhar Bandha. Open your neck. Move Jalandhar Bandha. Exhale from both the nostrils. చూస్తారు కదా, ఇది అనులోమ విలోమ ప్రాణాయామం. దీని కొంచెం వేరియేషన్ నాడీ శుద్ధి ప్రాణాయామం, నాడీ శోధన ప్రాణాయామం అని కూడా అంటారు. ఇట్స్ వెరీ గుడ్, హెల్ప్ఫుల్ ప్రాణాయామం. సో ప్రాక్టీస్ దిస్.